Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Charge to at least 50% and remove SIM or micro SD to avoid data bleed and errors. Once done, power the Realme C11 completely off. Then press and hold power and volume up together until the Realme logo appears. You enter recovery mode. This is where you'll perform the factory reset. If the physical keys don't respond, make sure to attempt settings right arrow system, right arrow reset, right arrow factory reset as an alternate path. Because now you perform the reset. Use the volume keys to navigate the recovery menu and highlight English, then find and select wipe data or factory reset. You press power to confirm each choice. This ensures you don't accidentally select the wrong option. The phone will erase user data and restore system defaults. This is why backups matter before you start. Once the wipe runs, be patient and do not disconnect power or press buttons. The process completes in a few minutes, and then the system will prompt you to reboot. After the reset, choose Reboot System Now and follow the initial setup prompts. You'll sign into accounts and restore from backups. If the phone hangs on the logo or repeatedly reboots, boot back into recovery and wipe cache partition first, then repeat the factory reset. This often clears residual issues. If the device remains stuck after retries, make sure to consider flashing the stock firmware using SB Flash Tool or visiting an authorized service center, because persistent boot loops usually indicate deeper software or hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.